How to make Spotify play in the background iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video tutorial on how to make Spotify play in the background iPhone. In this video, I'll show you two options, and to start, we have to go to settings. So on settings, you can scroll down and look for Spotify on the list of your applications. Or if that's too much, just simply use the search bar at the top and look up Spotify. Tap Spotify and you should see this page. Now, on this page, just turn on background app refresh. Now, remember that if your low power mode is on, you won't be able to turn this on, so turn that off first, and you should be able to turn this on. There you go. Now that it's on, you can try to play a music on your Spotify app and see if it works with your applications. If not, here's another option you can try. You can go to the Spotify application itself. Make sure that you are on the home page. And on the home page, you should see your profile picture at the left top corner of the page. Tap on that, and then you should see settings and privacy. Tap settings and privacy, and you should see playback. So tap on playback and make sure that picture in picture is on. And if it's on, you can make sure that on your settings, your picture in picture is also turned on automatically. So to do that, we have to go to General, and on the third section, you should see Picture in Picture. Tap on that and make sure that this option is on. So just turn this on from this button here, and you should be good to go. And those are your options on how to make Spotify play in the background on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.